What's good, Global Grinders? This is Chief Ferguson Bay from Off Duty Grind. And on Off Duty Grind, you know, we give tips and advice, and we highlight military business owners doing their thing on duty and off duty, but off duty in the business world. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make music for your videos, for your websites, anything. Some background music, little tasty touches, you know, all from your iPhone, right? So we're gonna make music for my iPhone. You don't need to know musical theory. You don't need to know how to play keys. You don't need to know how to play bass, nothing like that. All you need to know how to do is press a button, all right? All that's coming up right here. All right, Global Grind. So what you wanna do is you want to go to Blocs Wave. Blocs Wave. Go to the Apple Store or Google Store. Download Blocs Wave. This one. Boom. Alright. That's it. That's all you need to do. And you can hit auto. And like that. Right? You can do that, or you can find something you like, and you can just keep layering it. All right. You can also go to this library here. I usually start off with drums. I like hip hop, so let's go to some hip hop. Like some of these packs you can buy, but a lot of them come free. So let's see. It's different. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna start with. And you can hit for a new instrument, alright? And you can go back to this. You can go back and click melodic. I'll go with that. I'm gonna go back, change these drums though. Go back. Let's do these. I think I'm gonna stay in this category. All right. I like it. I should have wore headphones for this. And you can just keep hitting it until you find something you like, man. As always, you can go pick something within that same category, or are we still in drums? Let me go back. I'm gonna go to the same category. When you pick stuff in the same category, it usually go good together. I like both of these. So with these also, I can make a version. With these also, I can make a version like this. Right? Or I can hit this one, right? Hit copy, hold it, hit copy, go to the next one, hit paste, boom. And I can make a different bass version, right? So now I got two different versions of something pretty close to that, to what I like. You can also do things like go here, turn the volume down. Alright, you can also trim it. Stop. And there's a lot more you can do with these. You can slice them up. Right? So you can slice them up if you want. Alright. But I like that so far. And I ain't gonna hold you guys up. You can go ahead, download Blocs Wave and make your own beats, alright? But I'm gonna add another effect to it. Let me see. Just to finish it off. Here we go. Sound effects. Negative. Yeah. Alright, and that's it. And once you're done, sometimes this top block goes away. So if that top block goes away, you just go ahead, swipe it up, or cancel out the application, reopen it. Alright, and you just hit these three dots up top, export, and also you can change the key and all that if you want. Alright, we're gonna echo. Alright, when we're done, go ahead, export it, and boom. And you can, you know, export the section, export the file, the project file, or, you know, to Ableton Live and all that. So I'm just going to export the section mix, and you can do 1 bar, which is 2 seconds, 2 bar, 4 bar, 8 bar, however long you need it. So 8 bars is 22 seconds, so however long you need your clip to be, your intro, your outro to be, you know, your B-roll, whatever that is, you can change it to whatever you need it to be. And of course, you can always copy and paste it inside your editing software. So, boom. I'm just do 8 bars, export it as wave, done. All right, and now I can share it to myself. That's why I mess with Apple. Boom, we done. And now it's on the And that's it. That's how you make music on your iPhone, just using your iPhone. Doesn't cost you anything. You can buy extra blocks if you want. I buy extra packs. They're like $1.99 to get some more sounds, but each one, they work well together. So each group works well together. If you want some different ideas, you can mix and match them. But again, you don't need to know music theory. You don't need to know how to play an instrument, anything like that. You can just make beats for your videos right on your iPhone. So this is Chief Ferguson Bay. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. So again, before I'm out, I'm not out yet. You see me. If you like this content or you want to see more content like this, just like, comment, subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell so that you know when more videos like this are coming out. Let me know what you want to learn. All right. So I'm going to give you the juice. All right. I like giving juice. I like giving free juice. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. So whatever I know, you guys are going to know. You know, my target audience is military folks. I'm in the military. So I want to give y'all some of the things that y'all want to know in order to get where you want to get. So off to the grind, we out. Global Grinders, I'll see you guys later, and I'll talk to you. Bye.